Hi friends, another video. I'm gonna try to look at the camera. I'm so terrible. I just look all over it. Anyway, here I am trying to show you items I purchased in my local thrift store for resale on Poshmark, Marcari, eBay, etc. I might send some items specifically to thredup, because what I do every time I go shopping afterwards, if I check the comps, but if I see that on thredup it sells for a lot more, I will ship it to them. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this bag. This is all from my local thrift store. I got those slippers. I don't know, I'm gonna still keep them, but they look brand new. The brand is Kooba, K-O-O-B-A, and they're extremely comfortable. Those slippers, they're actually size 6-7. I might keep them, or if not, I'll sell them for like $20. But this brand is definitely to be on the lookout, because I checked the comps and there's every item from this brand sells good, even on Poshmark. So that's, a good thing. Not everything sells on Poshmark. So another item is this Lovers and Friends or Plus Friends, like a see-through top. Spring, summer is coming, festival and going out. I mean, even as a beach cover-up, this would be beautiful. So the top says extra small, but it's very oversized. I mean, I'm medium and it would fit me. And it has that Swiss polka dot, and the back is open and see-through. I would probably get like $15 for it. Another item is brand that I was not familiar with, but it's sewn in like those high-end brands, just a few stitches. Dead Femme, it's like a boxy tee. I mean, I think even just by the style, I looked it up and it's a boutique. It has very specific look, but I just thought it was cool and I'm gonna try to sell it. I think I only paid $2. I took a risk on that one. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, this is not anything special brand. Woman Within, I don't even know. But I got it purely because of the style. It's like a duster crochet, or you can call it open knit. I think it's more like a crochet, but white open front and size 14-16. I mean, this is beautiful. I think I could sell it for about $20-25, not even considering the brand or being anything special. Next item is this one. I already seen, so I don't want to get it wrinkled. Beach Lounge collection. So this brand sells pretty well during like spring, summer. This is like tie front. I mean, how cute is this? To put even over like bikini and have nice linen pants if you want to be fancy, or shorts and make it more casual. This says size small, but it's very oversized. I mean, I'm medium, it looks big on me. So it's really pretty. I love this. So, spring is coming. Spring, well, at least where I live, it's already like 80 degrees. So, we feel it. But here it's like summer already. Okay, next item is this Brighton tote bag. And this color is very popular right now, and it looks brand new, like nothing on corners. And like I told you other times, Brighton always sells. Might take a while, but always sells and looks brand new and safe. and straps too. So I think I paid $6 for it, so that was good price. I feel like I have to sneeze. Sorry guys, I have allergies. It's been the worst allergy season ever for me. Okay, so this brand also I didn't know, but I just touched it and I'm like, this leather on the handle and the logo is on every part of the zipper, and YKK zipper, and then it's branded, and I'm like, this is something. So I looked it up. It's Jpk Paris 75, and the lining inside feels like silk. So I checked comps, and it was selling for a good price. I wasn't familiar with it, so I'm gonna clean it up. It has few marks, but it's overall really good condition, so I think I only paid $5 for it, so I'll give it a try. Next one, it's also bag. It has a little bit here to fix on the strap, a little wear. So this is big tote bag. I mean, this will fit your laptop, iPad, whatever you want to put. And this is also from the brand Kooba, Kooba, and like I said, I checked, and this brand sells well. This is genuine leather, like a taupe tan color. So I only paid a few dollars for it, I think like $4 or $5. So it was worth investing and trying it. You know, sometimes the brands you're not familiar with, they will fit, but sometimes they are really worth it. So, you know, if you don't put too much in, it's worth trying. Sorry, I'm bending here and grabbing, but I have tons of that. So a lot of unknown brands, because my local thrift store got smart. People get smart. And anything they know, I usually buy. All the brands that most people are familiar with, they're like way overpriced, like crazy. So, you know, I gotta get smart and look for brands that not too many people know about, and that's what I'm sharing with you. You might be in the same situation. So those cute platform booties, they're like suede. They have genuine leather lining, and they're from this brand Betty or Petit Miller. There's my son in the window. That's terrifying. So I paid, it was $10, but they were half off. Sorry guys, I don't know where I stopped, okay, but my little son was trying to get in and driving me crazy here. Anyway, this, I think I left off on those platform booties. They're genuine suede. They look like they were worn one time. But Tia Miller, they were $9.99 and they were half off. So genuine suede, genuine leather. They're what size 8, so good size too. So comfort shoes, right? Well, there's not so comfort, but I got those. Yeah, Michael Kors, genuine leather, lined with leather, heels, cork. They're size 6.5, and I got them for I think $6.99. But I thought they were worth it. Kind of give spectral vibes. Michael Kors sells. I mean, you can complain all you want, but it does sell. It's not anything fancy, but people are familiar with this brand and they will buy it. So next one, little Adidas slip-on sneakers, comfort. They have like the memory foam insoles. So I'll clean those up, and they were $7.99, but they were half off, so $4. Next ones, I have this brand, which I was not familiar with, but I felt the leather. I'm like, wow, this is something. inside everywhere leather and cut out leather like this, and they look like very comfortable shoes. Size European 41. Ilse Jacobsen, so it sounds kind of like Holland or Denmark or something. So we're gonna try. I looked them up earlier and they did sell for a good price. Yes, size 41 European. So I think I only paid $8, so, but I looked up the prices and they were like in hundreds, between 50 and 100, so we'll try. And this is Melissa. You know how you have the mini Melissas jelly shoes? Well, this Melissa got fancy because those are Melissa and Jason Wu collaboration, and they're size 9. So I'll clean them up. How cute are they? So I think those will be great in spring, summer time, which I think everybody is so sick of the winter and wants to buy spring. Everybody buys more for spring, I think. Next item were those new tag lacrosse snow boots, which I know it's not season for them anymore. They're size 6, brand new, never been worn, made in USA, and I got them for $12.99. So they can sell for good money. Now it's kind of late in the season, but hey, I'm okay with waiting for them. So let me stop right now and I'll do part 2 so you can see the rest of the items I purchased. I'm sorry if I'm flashing you guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe and share. Show me some love. Thank you guys so much. Sorry for not looking at the camera. Anyway, again, this is Mamatime, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.